If you've forgotten your Amcrest NVR password and none of the recovery methods are working, there is one last option you can try: the CMOS battery reset method. Before you begin, keep in mind that this is an advanced procedure and should only be used as a last resort.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, completely power off the NVR and unplug it from the power source. Next, carefully open the NVR casing and locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. It's a small coin-shaped battery, similar to the battery found in desktop computers. Gently remove the battery and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, reinstall the battery, close the casing, and reconnect the power. Now, turn the NVR back on and check whether the password has been cleared or if the system allows you to set up a new password. However, there's an important warning. This method does not work on all Amcrest NVR models. Many newer models store password information in a separate memory chip, so removing the CMOS battery may have no effect on the password. Also, opening the NVR may void your warranty, and improper handling can damage the hardware.